The Morocco Football Association has announced that it will also join the 2026 Football Club hosting event. The final date for this race is ending on Friday, after which the FIFA candidate will announce the names of the countries. The United States, Canada and Mexico announced in April that they would offer a joint hosting application. Earlier, the Football World Cup was held only once in Africa when it was in South Africa in 2010. This is the fifth attempt of Morocco. The African Football Association, CAF, supported Morocco's candidacy in July. There were 32 teams in the last World Cup, but 48 teams in 2026 will participate in sports. This was announced by FIFA at the beginning of this year. The decision to host will be done in 2020 after passing through a long process. The FIFA policy is that the host countries should be selected from different regions. This time, Europe and Asia cannot participate in the race for the race because in 2018, the World Cup will be held in the European Union in Russia and 2022 in the Asian country diameter.